Hey guys, how's it going? Today I just wanted to show you very quickly two new things that I've got on. So I just got in the new Coco Eve Daily Radiance Primer SPF 50 and I really want to give this a go, guys. It sounds amazing. It's anti-pollution, guys. It blocks those blue light rays from your phone. It just sounds amazing. It says perfect skin with our illuminating primer with antioxidant extracts that promote radiance and prep skin for makeup while protecting from premature signs of aging. Excuse me guys, I haven't got my glasses. Protects the skin with a formula that provides UVA, UVB, broad spectrum SPF 50 protection. Natural extracts and niacinamide helps shield against sun exposure, blue light and pollution to support the skin barrier. I've been waiting for this to come in, guys. This is brand new from Coco Eve, so I want to get that on. That consistency, not too thick. And to have a primer and a sunscreen in one is just amazing for me. I'm going to put a little bit more on just for some extra. Well, it feels really nice, not greasy, guys. My hyperpigmentation has been going up and down, guys, even with that tretinoin. It does have a radiance about it. It does say it's illuminating. Whoa. Hey, that could be a good thing under your foundation, guys, if you're into that. Bit of a glow under that foundation. Does it feel oily? I wouldn't say oily. It feels very nice, but I can feel some kind of an oil in there. You know, I even like to wear primers by themselves if they're blurring enough. I don't know if I would actually wear this by itself. It's a bit glowy, but I'm very interested to see how this wears under makeup, eh? Very nice, very nice. Okay, well that's settling down. I want to show you the second thing that I've got, guys. And I am blown away by this. Where are you? Where are you? So I just bought, I don't know if these are new, but they're new to me, guys. They're the new Rephrs sponges. OMG, guys, these are freaking great. Honestly, I kind of think they're a little bit better than the Beauty Blender. I am not joking, yous. So I always go into Rephr, guys, to go and check out, you know, what they've got. If you go onto their website, they have a concept store there, and you can access that concept store, guys, by entering in your email. And then what the concept store does is it gives you discounts all the time for stuff. It's actually for the community to test and try things. It's freaking amazing. They give huge discounts on there. This little sponge here for 3 of them was $9, $9.99 US dollars at the moment for 3 sponges, and I just went, what? And I picked up 3 times 3 packs. These are insane sponges, guys. I have the normal Beauty Blender here, and I love the Beauty Blender, guys. I always thought nothing was ever gonna beat the Beauty Blender. I'm not joking. I bought the Paw one, the Paw sponge from Amazon, which is okay, but it doesn't have that softness about it like the Beauty Blender does. I love this, the Beauty Blender, and that's what I've been racing for. I've got so many sponges from so many different companies, and I'm always racing back to this. But Rephr sponges, guys, freaking phenomenal. So soft. I'll show you one that I'm going to use today. That is it, you know, loaded up with water, dampened and squeezed out. Look at the size of it. It's very lightweight, guys. It just feels so soft. It feels even better than a bloody Beauty Blender. It's just really super damn soft. I can't believe it. And the price of these are exceptional. I need you guys to go onto Rephr's blooming website. I bought all these myself, by the way. Totally not sponsored, but I'm a huge fan, obviously, of Rephr's brushes. I have so many of them. They're all here. They're my go-tos. I just love them. You'll see me using them all in my videos. But when I saw the sponge, guys, which is the first time I've seen the sponge, I just went, what? I've got to test it. I've got to test it. It's got to be good if it's from Rephr. And I was not disappointed, guys. When I first got it, it was very hard. Like this one's brand new. Like any other makeup sponge. But once you dampen it, oh my gosh, guys, it's just so super soft, like the Beauty Blender. But I think even possibly a bit better. So, I need you guys to check this out. I am actually waiting for the Bloomin' cleanser to come in stock because I've heard so many great things about that cleanser, guys. I want to test it out for myself. It's been out of stock for months, maybe even a year. So yeah, I'm so glad that I've got these. I did use it yesterday and I was blown away, guys. That's why I had to show you guys Rephrs sponges. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick foundation with the sponge, and yeah, we're ready. Hold on up. Okay, my peeps, let's do a quick look with Rephrs sponge. You know what I just picked up too, guys? The Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation SPF 30. I love this. It is freaking stunning. I'm going to use that today. It is a little bit light for me, so I'm going to darken it up a bit. I am going to darken it up a bit, or put a bit of yellow pigment into it. Yellow pigment, let's see if that goldens it up. Yes, yes, my peeps, yes, it has goldened it up. Yeah, perfect. Yellow pigment, guys, for this. I was always using the bloody brown one, or the red one. I was wondering, why is your foundation so bloody red? But that looks better. Much better, much better. Beautiful foundation, this Shiseido. Get Rephr sponge, it's so beautiful and soft. Let's just pack that in. Okay, guys. Oh, I think I got some of that in my eye. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. What do you think? Eyelash there. But that is the look, guys. I think it looks great. Oh my gosh, let me get my mirror. I finally found it. Oh, I just poked myself in the eye. Gosh, that looks really beautiful. The sponge, guys, I think these are better than the Beauty Blenders. I'm not joking you. So soft and just, you know, that Beauty Blender softness, but it feels like it's not going to rip, you know, because over time with these Beauty Blenders, guys, you can actually rip them with your fingernails, you know, but they have to be quite old to do that. But yeah, I love them, guys. You know, you have to honestly just pick up one sponge if you don't believe me. These are phenomenal. So soft. Apply the makeup like nothing. As for that primer, I don't know. I'm going to have to let you know in the description box about that, because yeah, I just don't know about the primer yet. How does my makeup look? Looks okay. But you know, as I always say, guys, the test is on the day wear, right? Yeah, I don't know about the primer, guys. Don't know. Could do with some powder. Amazing freaking sponge, guys, from Rephr. You know, it's black is the only colour they come in. Some people don't like that, you know. I kind of saw it online. They like to see if there's any dirt in it. Obviously, just clean the shit out of it, guys. It's no biggie, honestly. Okay, I'm going to powder it up. And I'm going to do a quick makeup look, and I'll come back to you, saying, just to show you the finished result. So impressed, guys, with these Rephr sponges. So soft. So soft. Okay, my peeps, I'm back. I did a very, very fast eye look using the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette. Beautiful palette, guys. Just two colours, brown and then a beautiful gold topper on top. My skin's playing up. I am not too happy with that primer, guys. Or maybe I should have let it sit for a little bit longer. Yeah, I can see my foundation kind of separating. It's not very flawless, especially on my forehead. Around my mouth, it's not looking good. Not looking good at all, guys. It's all patchy on my cheeks. And I haven't even put bronzer or anything on. Not happy, guys. I did actually powder it up under my eyes as well. But yeah, the skin's looking a bit bloody gross, to be honest. Need to keep testing this out. I don't know. I had such high bloody hopes for it too. I was waiting for it to come, you know. But I don't look good. If you come close up to me, you can see my pores. You can see the foundation has separated in parts, especially on my forehead. Yeah, you can definitely see my pores in there, guys. Yuck. Not happy about that at the moment, but I will keep testing it because I had such high hopes. The Rephr sponge, guys, amazing. Amazing. I really want you guys to check out Rephr's website. I do have an affiliate code with Rephr. You don't need to use it, guys. It's just going to be in my description box. I actually have had one for bloody few years now, and I keep forgetting to bloody put in my description box, but I'll make sure I do. You know, and that just means that I will get a little percentage if you guys buy something, but you don't have to. Just go on their website, guys. I don't even care about those, you know, as long as you guys go and check out what's good. And these sponges are amazing. Like I said, guys, at the moment there's 3 for $9, $9 US at the moment. Freaking steal. I got three times 3 packets. They are usually, I think they're about $10 each, or even 15. I think. Don't hold me on that, guys. I was looking at it this morning, but that was pretty much it. I can't remember everything. So impressed with these sponges, guys. They are freaking amazing. So soft, so squishy, just feel really, really reliable. So I need you to check that out. The primer, I will leave you a little something in the description box about it, eh? But not impressed at the moment. Yeah, don't think that can be fixed, but thank you guys for watching. I really wanted to share these products with you guys, honestly. So impressed with the Rephr sponge, and Rephr's products are amazing. Like, you know, you just can't beat their brushes. Far out. I mean, the only other brushes that I truly like are the Morphe ones and the Makeup by Ariel ones. Makeup by Ariel? Those are cool too, but the Morphe ones. The Morphe and Jaclyn Hill ones, I mean, those are great. I've had them for years. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to me, and yeah, I'll catch you up on my next one, eh? Mwah.